Progressive judgment, the Kerala High Court recently upheld that the children of unwed women and sexual assault survivors can live in this country with the fundamental rights of privacy, liberty and dignity. The observation was made while hearing a petition filed by a man, the son of a single mother who is an unwed woman, seeking to remove his father's name from the birth register and issue a fresh birth certificate showing only the mother's name as a single parent. The judge in the order said that a child of an unwed mother is also a citizen of this country and nobody can infringe any of his or her fundamental rights guaranteed under the Constitution. So that's the judgment coming out of the Kerala High Court. Progressive judgment there by the High Court. Vivek joining us for more on this. Vivek, give us the details of this judgment and also the court citing Mahabharat in the judgment.
Yes, this is a milestone judgment, and it will have its own ramifications going forward. When it comes to such cases, the courts could cite this judgment. So this is a very, very milestone judgment. What the Chief Justice of Kerala, PV Kunhikrishnan, has said after a petition filed by a 26-year-old person whose mother gave birth while she was a minor. And at a later point of life, that his documents, there was a lot of confusions as far as documents are concerned, because in some documents that is date of birth and educational documents that his father's name was there, and in some of which his mother's name was there, and he basically wants his mother's name. He approached the court, and Justice PV Kunhikrishnan said this, that the children of unwed mothers and the children of rape victims can also live in this country with the fundamental rights of privacy, liberty, and dignity. No one can intrude into the constitutional rights, code of this rights. So basically, it clearly says that the documents from here on can have the mother's name. The court also quoted Mahabharata, where it also said that Karna's life, it mentioned about Karna's life and said that we do not want Karna's, who had cursed his life basically because of insult, insults where he was not able to mention, his mother's name. So also the court has directed the Registrar of Births and Deaths to expunge and remove the name of the father from the birth register maintained at the office regarding the petition. So that is very, very important judgment as far as Kerala High Court is concerned.
Yes. All right.